I think I can nollie flip, Derek. I think I can fly. Ah! This might be the end of me. I've been thinking about this trick for a really long time. I'm deadly, deadly, deadly scared of it because I broke my left foot in one place and got 2 screws. 1 break, 2 screws. Just like we put into the skateboards that we build. 2 screws. So appropriate. So the trick that I want to attempt today that I'm deadly scared of is the nollie flip. So it fully utilizes my left foot. So let's say we're just gonna pretend my hand is my foot, and this right here is the bone that I broke. This is my pinky toe, and this bone right here I broke. And what I would be required to do is drag that foot up and flick like that. Basically, literally take the broken bone and flick it up my board and make the board spin and land back on it with no injuries. And I still do not have official Dr. Okay to skateboard. Shout out Dr. Potter, you're the absolute best. And I only went to my physical therapist once and I should go again. But now I'm doing skateboard physical therapy as prescribed by me, myself, and Irene. Okay, before I get into this, it's gotta be a warm-up sesh. Gotta be a warm-up sesh. We're gonna do ollie. I think maybe a nollie is a good trick to warm up, right? Ouch! I don't know why, it's just mental or it actually hurts. Like I say ouch, but does it actually hurt? Or is it all mental? Just mental madness. Whoa! That could have been bad right off the bat. Okay, let's run. Frontside 180. Like I've gotten so comfortable popping with that foot, but flicking with that foot's a whole different world, whole different scenario. Shy! Okay, back 180. I'm gonna do that a little better, just for the love, you know? Or maybe that was worse, but it was still for the love. And I've got gas this morning. Chill out off the gas. I ate this like a little teriyaki thing. It's giving me gas. Kick flip, nollie flip. Kick flip, nollie flip. See, again, I can't tell if this is a really bad idea, I shouldn't be doing it, or if it's a really good idea and I need to work through the mental and physical barriers. I think part of it is also like, I have not used these muscles for 5 months, over 5 months. This is gonna be basically like a nollie flip tutorial at this point. So I'm gonna stand on my nose. So you got the motions of the kick flip down. You can pop it, flick it. Before you start on nollie flip, have a good kick flip. I actually think nollie flip is easier than switch flip. It might be the first one you wanna learn. But have a good kick flip down. You wanna have the knowledge of the flick, how that foot works, just like this, boom, and then your toe flicks up, just like that and up. That's the kick flip. So basically what you're doing is just reversing it, popping off this foot, and your back foot is gonna go on that, and then up. That, and then up. Also, I just realized there's a little bit of a mental barrier to push through because this is the actual trick that I was doing when I broke my foot. I was doing a kick flip, nose manual, nollie flip, and I landed on my foot like this, too far like that, basically hyperextended. And all of my weight, my entire body weight, went to this one bone right there, the 5th metatarsal, clean snapped it right in half. So I'm gonna put my foot there, drag it. Just that motion, like right there, it's bending my toes and my ankle muscles in a way that has not been moved in a long time. Okay, I'm gonna start out very gentle with just a little flick. Oh, it hurts. And it feels so good at the same time because I'm waking up those muscles again. Okay, now I'm getting excited, I'm not gonna lie to you. The excitement is coming in hot. Okay, we can do this. It feels like I have a limb that's like just completely out of commission and it just doesn't work, and I'm like trying to make that limb work against all the reasons why that limb doesn't wanna work at all. But let's make it work. I think I got this. I think I may just actually have this. Leave it in the comments below. If I do it still, is it a nollie flip or a switch flip? It's funny because I feel like completely still, I feel like I can do both a nollie flip. It's like in the way that I do the motion of the board. So nollie flip is more like you're pulling this board back and up, and like into your flick. And because your motion is going forward, it just feels different than like going that way and flick. Just feels so different to me. If you're learning how to nollie flip, do this practice step. Step off with this foot there, that foot flick. Okay, that hurt. That actually hurt. Feels like I'm breaking up scar tissue or pulling muscles or something. But I know I'm not. I know my bone is healed. Like, I know it's okay. Does it look like I'm doing like a stupid flick? Like a weak flick?
It looks maybe a little little off.
Derek's like, I don't know what to tell you. Oh, I don't know why. Skateboarding is a mental battle. Now I'm gonna do that same thing rolling. I'm still gonna step off with my right foot, jump off and let it flick. Okay, boy, I think I'm gonna do this. I think I can fly. I think I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Ow, son of a gun. I was supposed to do these physical therapy things where I like put my toe on a towel and put a weight on the towel and like drag the towel forward, because my toes, like normally I could bend my toes like all the way like that. Like my right foot is like that and my left foot is like just like a little bit of the way. So I don't have full mobility back. Hence, Aaron, don't skate, go to physical therapy. And here I am trying to do a nollie flip. Okay, note to all of you guys, listen to your doctor, do exactly what your doctor says. I'm not saying don't do that. I am a trained professional and I've been doing this for 30 years. So what you're trying to say is, well then nollie flip, Aaron. I heard you. Think I got this, Debo?
Yeah.
First try?
Yeah.
What are the odds, the Vegas odds on first try?
25%.
Really?
Yeah.
25%, okay. So if I put $100 on it, I'll make 400 bucks?
Yeah.
Okay, I got 5 on it. Diddly-doo. Ah! I'm doing what beginners do. The number one biggest mistake beginners do, push their front foot, their flick foot down to the ground and not out. There's a big difference between this right here, which is me going straight down, and this right here, which is me going straight back. The first one did not hurt my toe. The second one hurt like a beep. Why did I decide to do this video? Whose idea was this video? Okay, I gotta land this. Freaking A. Something about being alone in the skate park, battling your own mental trick, your own mental barrier to a nollie flip. All right, let's run it. Okay, that is the practice step. Pop, flick, keep your front foot above it. That is how to nollie flip, by the way. And now all I have to do is bend this leg and land there. So really at this point, actually, and the real deal is that I don't have to do anything else more than that with my flick foot, which means I can land it, which means it's been verified that I can land it. Let's land it right here, first try. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Full commitment. Why? I tell myself in my head that I'm gonna do it, and then my body literally just won't do it. Okay, that's it, do it. And by the way, nollie flip is one of my favorite tricks that I have the most down. It's in a game of skate. Even nollie double flip, one of my favorite. By the power invested in me with Gabe Cruz, luck of the gab. Right here, luck of the gab. All right, Derek. Sometimes I make these videos and I'm like, at this point, Aaron, you're just embarrassing yourself. Come on, give up, Aaron. You're too old to skate. You can't do this. You should just quit. Okay, this is for all the people that told me to quit for the last 18 years of my skateboarding life. Actually, it's been 30 years. For all the people that told me to quit in the last 30 years of skateboarding, this skateboarding is for me. Yes! Yes! Why was that so easy and I was making it so hard? Sickening. Okay, just literally straight up all in your head.
Look at that.
Look at that. Pop, flick. And also, I think this proves that the muscle memory never leaves. 5 months off, atrophy of the muscles, but they still remember. They still Remember, 3 in a row. I think I can nollie flip there. I think I can nollie flip. I think I can fly. I think I can touch the sky. Okay, so for everybody out there battling a trick, you have got to go right now, get on your board and land the trick. Don't let your mind tell you you can't do it. Don't let yourself stop yourself. You're in a battle against yourself. Nothing else matters. You can learn to skateboard. How many is that in a row?
5?
4 or 5?
Yeah, 4 or 5.
I don't know, I'm pretty stoked about this though. Okay, final boss will be kickflip, nollie flip. Let's go. That was garbage. That was Garbageville. Wow! I did it, but it was still trash. Rebate, run it back. I'm gonna take that. I like it. The kickflip caught it, nollie flip caught it, and this proves to me right there, this proves to me that it's all in your head. You guys can push through that mental barrier. I know you have things going on in your life. I know it can be a struggle. It doesn't matter what's happening. Push through. Believe in yourself. You can do it. Skateboarding is a battle against yourself to progress. Keep on pushing. No matter what is happening, keep on pushing. You guys got this. Get out there and learn a new trick. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. Woo!